Hi, welcome to Swed. Welcome to my channel. This evening I'm gonna install on my MT09 2022 what do you call them, is like lever protector guards and handlebar guards. So I mean they will be on the top on the tops of the left and right side, and they're gonna be like a metal guards on your levers. So that's the description. I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope you get a nice Christmas this year, and let's see how it happens for the next season. So we hope that we ride our bikes in a nice weather soon. Yeah, well, something like 3-4 months at least in Sweden. So let's get on it and install the guards.
So guys, let's try to do some work on our levers here. I hope my audio is working well. So let's try to take off these things. I'm not perfect in that. I don't know exactly how these things are managed, sorry. The thing is, I know that this is a 5mm and so give me a second. I'm trying to get a picture on that. Yeah, that's nice. All right. So let's see. 5mm. So be careful with that one. So, and it's very easy, fairly easy to take them out. Let's see if we are going to use these, reuse these bolts, the original ones. So let me put it there. First things first, we try to put the end ones. Let's see, this one is going. Oopsie daisy. So guys, let's see, pick them up and see, this one is going. Yeah, I think it doesn't matter where you put them. These guys are exactly the same, so there's no right or left on these, and it's still 5mm on that one. Let's take the 5mm and put it there. It's very easy, fairly easy. Place. So I need to do that now the whole way. This is the right one. We are on the left side, so preparing this one, put this one, take the left one and do the same thing with it. Yeah, so the threads are not really very easy to find, but be careful of that. So we have the left one. It's gonna sit like that. So yeah guys, yeah, well, the things are very easy. So we have a 5mm socket on this bolt, so it's just, I just screw this one up a little bit, so I just take it out. You will not need these bobbins anymore, so you will take them out and save them. Be careful so they don't get damaged on the surfaces. And we have a left and right, so this one is a left one. We are gonna reuse the bolts that we have, so we have a left one, and you will have the protection on the top on it is gonna be with the logo, so you need to see which logo you are gonna using. So this one is gonna be like an MT09 like this, so you have the MT09 on that one up there. So let's start with this one. Put the screw there, or the bolt from the thingy. So you start with this one, very easy, just put it there, try to screw it right on the threads, just tighten it so you can actually do that later, so you don't need to tighten it 100%. So take the bolt. We have the thing comes with universal adapters. We will need only this washer or this stancer, what do you call it. This metal is very beautiful to have it, and very, very important, because it's gonna work as a washer and a distance, and actually to make it work. So we will take this out, take this back, keep it in the package for something else, maybe put this washer here, put the bolt that we have, original one, and try to tighten it on this one. Yeah, the thing is that I'm not sure actually how it's gonna work on the other side. I don't know, let's see if it's gonna fit, because I see here it's going on the rubber here, so let's see on the other side it's gonna work. Challenge, it's a challenge. Socket, ratchet again, try to do that. The ratchet. So that's okay, it's enough. And this one is gonna be a little bit, so we need to hold it and do that because it's rotating actually. So I'll do it like this, try to hold it and do that. Let's see how it looks like. Take it down a little bit. Perfect. So that's how it looks like, guys. It looks fine and nice and very rigid. Yeah, it's actually very rigid. It's okay, strong and good. That's a nice protection for your lever, because what happens is when the bike is falling, it's gonna protect a little bit more here instead of falling on this one. So yeah, somehow of like protection on the sides. So let's go on the other side. So that's the other side, fairly easy as you saw. Yeah, on the other side, on the left side. So this is the right side, it's the brake side on the right side. So oopsie, keep these things here, so take this out, keep this out, so keep the old ones here, keep this one, put it on that, and install it fairly easy. So guys, it's not that rocket science about it. Don't tight this very much. Let's get the washer out from that one. See, things are falling today. Let's see. Washer. Close this. Get it back on the threads there. Its place. So let's get that one, and we have that one here. guys. Yeah, well, I think we need to think about the level of these levers, so we don't put this metal. I mean, this shouldn't be like somehow interfering with the way that this one going, because it can actually interfere with it. As far as this one is okay, so mine should be like looking like that. So with that said, so we try to put this on, let's see, like that. That's it, I think. So check your gas thingy that is going without any interfering. There's no problem. Lever. There's no problem. Same thing with this side. There's no problem. Perfect. So, and let's try to tighten this one. See from the other side if they are looking good. Let's try that, and otherwise I will fix it. So, well, they are looking very nice, as you see there and there.
So guys, this is the finished product of the lever protection, handbars protection, or what do you call them. They look pretty good. Okay, I would say that I had to say that these logos, I don't know, I didn't like it really good. So, but anyhow, it's actually okay. It stick out, so much logos around. We have like one here and around, so it's enough for these ones. I would say that if you can buy one without, it would be a little bit more beautiful. Yeah, who knows, maybe I will change them later, but they look good now. They are like giving protection on the levers. Yeah, the thing is that I have no idea of how to put them. Are they gonna be like a little bit lower than this one, because you know you don't want them to interfere with the way, so that you don't want them to touch near up or something. So they are not like wiggling up or down. With the brake is a little bit better because I have distance there, but with that one is a little bit different. I don't know why, but they look good anyhow. I hope you liked the video, guys, and you got some information and to learn about it. And wish you nice new year and happy, and thank you very much. Like, subscribe, comment, you're welcome. So have a nice evening. Bye bye.